Hey, let me show you 3 ways how you can use circle to search on the Samsung S25 FE. So first of all, it works with the 3 buttons navigation, but also with the gestures. All you have to do is just to hold the middle button with the 3 buttons navigation, but if you are using gestures and you have this line at the bottom, you have to also hold it the same, like I did with this button. Now, if you are looking for some pictures, for example, I want to get more information about this Selena Gomez picture, so I have to just simply click on her face. And now I can go here and check for some visual matches. So if I'm looking for similar photos from this photo session of Selena, I can actually find them just over here. As you can see, there's the different photo, different pose, another one, the pre-session photo. I can also check some products or some articles with this photo. As you can see, this from Instagram, Z News, from Facebook, and stuff like this. Now, another method to use circle to search, like if you have some text that you cannot copy, like this one, for example, I'm just holding this and there's no copy button. So you can turn on that circle to search and now click and hold and select any text that you want. Now, if I want to copy this one, I have to just click copy. But in this case, when it was selected, it will be also, I will be also redirected for the browser with this specific phrase. And also, as you can see, we got the translation button. So once you actually click on this one, you can pick the language. So the first one, it's automatically detected. And the second one, you can simply set manually. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty useful. Let's say that we are going to transfer this one into the Chinese, for example. There we go. And as you can see, it just simply translates this. So it's especially useful, for example, when you set your phone into the older language and you don't know what is going on here, you don't understand all of those characters. This is some option to use it. That's basically everything. I hope you find it useful.